Every Monday, millions of people attempt a fresh start, a new workout plan, a new morning routine, new productivity system, new commitment to finally get serious. But by Friday, most of it is gone. The common explanation is lack of discipline. I don't think that's the problem. I've noticed something interesting when talking to professionals in their 40s, 50s, and 60s. These people rarely struggle with effort. Most of them have spent decades showing up. They've built careers, raised families, managed crises, carried responsibilities, worked long hours, and solved problems. Effort isn't the issue. The issue is that they've lost trust in themselves. Not dramatically, gradually. Every abandoned habit, every postponed goal, every promise made on Sunday night and forgotten by Thursday afternoon. Eventually, when you do that, something subtle happens. The person stops believing their own commitments. They still make plans, they still buy books, they still create goals, but internally, they begin expecting themselves to quit. That's a dangerous place to live because once self trust begins to erode, motivation becomes increasingly necessary. And motivation is a terrible foundation for change. Motivation rises and falls like the tide. Life gets busy, work gets demanding, energy fluctuates, unexpected problems show up, structure survives all of that. Self trust survives all of that. The people who successfully rebuild their lives don't usually do it through massive transformations. They stop making heroic promises and they start keeping small ones. A 10-minute walk, 5 pages read, one workout, one difficult conversation, 1 hour of focused work. Nothing impressive, just enough evidence to prove to themselves I do what I say I'm going to do. You repeat that long enough, and that changes everything. Because real discipline isn't about becoming tougher, it's about becoming trustworthy, especially to yourself. So, before you create another ambitious Monday plan, ask yourself a different question. What commitment am I willing to keep even on my worst day? Start there. Build confidence. Rebuild trust. And the rest tend to follow.